And that is the breeze. It's not overly windy right now, but you're going to see those winds ramp up through the day, and it looks like tomorrow will be the windiest day with this weather setup. We've got high pressure just north of us, lower pressure to the south, and whenever you have that sharp change in pressure, you're kind of in between the two. That's what helps to accelerate the winds. We've got that easterly flow, which will continue for most of this week. And looking at the wind gust potential today, through the morning, you'll notice those winds picking up to around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and then just above 20 this afternoon. But I'll tell you what, that wind is going to feel pretty nice with those temperatures warming up quite a bit compared to what we saw yesterday. The reason for that? A lot more sunshine. Right now on the NBC2 First Alert Live Doppler radar, it's pretty quiet. We've had a couple little flare-ups here over central sections of Hendry County, a couple showers, and there's that opportunity for a spot shower or two through the morning. I think we'll see a better chance this afternoon, but even then we're talking about a 20% rain chance. Here's the other change today after a very cloudy, kind of gray at times yesterday. We're looking at that northern extent of the cloud cover now beginning to try to push out of Southwest Florida. So that means we'll see sunnier weather as we head through the morning hours and into the afternoon, and temperatures on the way up to the upper 80s. So bus stop forecast today looks pretty quiet as you're headed to school, and this afternoon only a 20% rain chance, as I mentioned. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. We'll start off in the lower 70s this morning, so quite comfortable, and then a blend of sunshine and clouds as we get into the second half of your Tuesday, as we spend most of the afternoon in the upper 80s, around 87 to 88, I think, for most of Southwest Florida. You can see as we go to our latest Futurecast, I think it's a little too aggressive here with some of those showers through the morning hours, but you get the idea that opportunity is there, can't rule it out. And then by the afternoon, I think the best chance for a spot and dot shower will be farther south over sections of Collier County. Not a whole lot of activity, perhaps a little bit more on the southern end near the 10,000 Islands or on Marco Island and Everglades City. But overall, looks like a really nice Tuesday shaping up. Just a little bit warm and on the breezy side today, but at least we're going to add that sunshine back in the forecast. So 88 degrees for most of Southwest Florida, and tonight's forecast, another pleasant one, not quite as cool. We're down to the lower 70s, and we'll stay breezy with winds up to around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then, as I mentioned, tomorrow will be the windiest day of the week. We could even see wind gusts up closer to 30, and we'll see sunny, warm conditions overall with that chance for a spotty shower. And rain chances here through the next 5 to 7 days around 20%. So I'm telling you there's a chance, yes, but I think most of us will end up staying dry and not really expecting to see any thunderstorm activity. Let's get to your 10-day forecast because we have a lot of things to get to here over the next 10 days. So over the next 7 days, we're not going to see much in the way of rain, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch. And there's your extended outlook. We're going to stay in the upper 80s, so a little bit warmer than normal as we wrap up the month of October and the first day of November. Friday, rain chances 20% into the weekend. Looks like a warm and breezy Halloween here for us. And then beyond the weekend and into Election Day next week, we'll stay in the upper 80s. At this point, it does not look like we have any strong cold fronts coming, at least through the next 10 days. We're also monitoring the Caribbean and the tropics, and we'll talk more about that coming up in your First Alert forecast in the next half hour.